Good day, residents of Saba. This is Island Governor Johnathan Johnson with a COVID-19 update. While the rest of the world struggles to manage the COVID-19 virus, the community of Saba has stepped up, gotten vaccinated, and adhered to the safety measures. So let's hear it for Saba's successes. We are all in this together, and there is no way we could have accomplished all that we did without everybody doing their part. As a community, we should be proud of this accomplishment. After 14 months of uncertainty and being extremely cautious, we moved to reopen our borders in May, welcoming everyone back to the unspoiled Queen, allowing us the freedom to travel and reconnect with the world beyond these 5 square miles. The outbreak management team planned the transition from closed to open with processes in place, including continued quarantine requirements, testing before and after travel, and in some instances, special measures to be followed once back on the island. We can be proud that a few positive cases that we've had since then prove that the plan worked, as so far we have not had any community spread of COVID-19. The reopening hasn't always been easy. For example, we've had to learn a new way to travel, keep track of changing requirements and restrictions, and follow safety requirements like mask wearing and social distancing when off island. The benefits of reopening are real, and soon we will be ready to take an extra step in our road to mitigation. Like the reopening in May, the road to mitigation is being done cautiously, deliberately, and strategically with systems and processes to quickly identify cases and prevent wide community transmission of COVID-19. Mitigation will get us back closer to normal.